Hello guys, good evening. Ayan. Today is very rainy evening here in Cagayan de Oro. So for today's short video, I'm going to show you how to make a herbal remedy for cough. This is the thing that my mother is doing whenever we have cough. Okay, as you can see, we have hot water here. We have menthol candy that is snowbird, and we have the oregano leaves, and then we have the lemon. All right, this is 3 pieces. I cut into pieces already. All you need to do is to mix everything like this one. You mix everything in it, and then you put the 3 snowbirds like that. And then you grip the lemon here. So that's it.